Hang on to your hats, folks. This is a breaking news update.
This just in. Big M Ford Lincoln is hosting the One Tough Truck event ending April 29th.
I consider myself very tough. I think I'm going to like it.
Let's investigate. So people can get an F-150 with factory delivery allowances up to $10,000, plus $1,500 in accessories, with huge dealer discounts and financing.
Not only am I tough, I've been making huge gains on my biceps. Want to feel them?
I'm going to pass.
This breaking news update brought to you by Big M Ford Lincoln.